Yes, Madhuvanti. Kidzi anthem.
Kidzi anthem.
Hmm.
Yavatam
Hmm.
net.
Hmm.
Yavanamne my potential inside. Today I play.
You're the wing
Lord of the Today I play.
beneath my flight.
Beneath my fly, beautify me, my potential inside.
Hmm. Today I pledge
Today I pledge. Yavatame.
with all my might.
I shall love you, my potential inside.
Yes, very good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, very good
Good morning,
morning. Yes,
ma'am.
morning, children. Standing for the warm up activity. Come on, come on, let's go dance. Come on, it's warm up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Stop. Tiger. Run, 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 run like a tiger. Run, 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 run like a tiger. Stop. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Stop. Elephant. Stomp, 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 stomp like an elephant. Stomp, 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 stomp like an elephant. Stop. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Stop. Kangaroo. Jump, 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 jump like a kangaroo. Jump, 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 jump like a kangaroo. Stop. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Stop. Crocodile. Snap, 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 snap like a crocodile. Snap, 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 snap like a crocodile. Stop. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Stop. Eagle. Fly, 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 fly like an eagle. Fly, 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 fly like an eagle. Stop. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Stop. Giraffe. Yes, very good, all of you. Go drink one glass of water and come back for attendance.
Adya. Ilango. Ilango. Ilango is absent. Very good, Ilango. Next, Nakshatra. Very good, Nakshatra. Nitish. Nitish. Very good, Nitish. Kevin. Kevin. Very good, Kevin. Riyasri. Very good, Riyasri. Sarah. Very good, Sarah. Pranavi. Very good, Pranavi. Pravina. Very good, ma Pravina. Srinija is absent today. Tilakar. Tilakar. Absent. Kadambari. Shravanya. Shravanya. Shravanya.
Here I am.
Very good, Shravanya. Mokshita. That is also absent. Nimalan.
Here I am, ma'am.
Very good, Nimalan. Adarsh. 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 Adarsh.
Ma'am is present, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Madhuvanti.
Here I am, Vanilla ma'am.
Yes, very good, Madhuvanti. Yes, first, Rocket, Rocket. Who is going to sing Rocket, Rocket? Who's going to sing Rocket, Rocket?
Shavanya.
Yeah, Shavanya.
Madhuvanti.
Yeah, I'll ask you, Madhuvanti. Mute yourself. Yes, Shavanya.
Rocket, rocket, going up in space with the white moon with many rays. All the people saying goodbye. Go the astronaut in this rocket high.
Very good. Okay, now Madhuvanti.
Rocket.
Rocket, rocking, going on the sky.
With the white sun.
The white
With the white moon.
all the people saying goodbye.
Goes the astronaut
The eye.
in his rocket. Hi, very good. Adarsh, will you sing the rhyme, Adarsh? Rocket, rocket. Rocket.
Satama pad. Rhymes for rocket.
With the white moon,
Ma'am,
it will race to all the people saying goodbye.
saying good.
Goes the astronaut in his rocket high. Okay? Okay, fine. Pranavi and Pravina, rocket, rocket rhymes. Pranavi and Pravina, rocket, rocket rhymes.
Ma'am, they didn't learn that, ma'am. They are very.
Okay, fine, no problem. Sarah, rocket, rocket rhymes. Sarah, rocket, rocket.
Rocket, rocket, going on the hill with the white moon.
It will race.
All the people Say goodbye. Astronaut. Thank
Goes the astronaut.
you. Rocket high.
Very good. Well done. Okay, now what we are going to do is we are going to have a quick recap of ch sound, sh sound, and th sound. Okay. Ch. What is the action and sound for ch? Ch. Ch. What is the action and sound, children? What is the action and sound? Ch, 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 ch. Okay, ch, 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 ch sound. Okay, ch, ch, chair. Ch, ch, charger. Ch, ch, chicken. Ch, ch, child. Ch, ch, chin. Ch, ch, chips. Ch, ch, chocolate. And next is sh. What is the sound of sh, children? What is the sound of sh? Shh. Okay. Shark. Sheep. Shells. Shin-chan. Ship. Shoes. Shop. And next is th sound th okay. Thumb. Bath. Thunder. Tree. And next is the ng sound, okay? King. Ring. Sing. Wing. So these are the ng sound words, okay? And next we are going to see singular and plurals, children. What do you mean by singular and plurals? One and many. Okay, one object, many objects. Okay, one pencil, many pencils. One eraser, many eraser. One notebook, many notebooks. So that one and many is known as singular and plural. One material means it is singular and many material means it is plural. Okay, see here. What is here in the screen? Here in this picture you can see only one cat. And the plural form for cat is cats. Many cats. One cat, many cats. One cat, many cats. One dog, many dogs. One dog, many dogs. One car, here you can see only one car in this picture. And here there are many cars, more than one car. One car, many cars. One car, many cars. One duck, many ducks. One duck, many ducks. One tree, many trees. One tree, many trees. One book, many books. One book, many books. One pencil, many pencils. One pencil, many pencils. So what we are adding extra to this plural, children? One is the sound in the ending. Okay, here pencil, it ends with the sound l, but here pencils, s sound, okay. So all the plurals ends with a s sound, okay. Shoe, here you can see only one shoe, and here shoes, more than one shoe, shoes. Cake, only one cake is there in this picture, but here you can see three cakes, many cakes. Cake, one cake, many cakes. One toy, this picture you can see only one toy. Here you can see many toys. One toy, many toys. Okay. Now, children, what you are going to do is ask your parents to give you any material. You are going to hold the material and say, one spoon, for example, one spoon, many spoons. One pencil, many pencils. One eraser, many eraser. One tumbler, many tumblers. One plate, many plate. Like that, you have to ask your parents to give you any material, and now you are going to tell me the one and many form of that. Okay, come on. Go and bring with your parents, children. Get your materials. One notebook, many notebooks. One crayon, many crayons. One fork, many forks. One book, many books. So like that, whatever material you have in your home, go and bring it. Who is ready?
Still many pencils.
Yes, very good. Okay, first Madhuvanti. Come on, Madhuvanti. One by one, I'll call you children, one by one. Okay? Yeah, first Madhuvanti, come on.
One pencil, many pencils.
Pencils. This sound should come, okay? Good, ma. Very good. Next is Nakshatra.
Taking the pencil.
Hmm.
One pencil,
One pencil, many pencils. Okay, very good. Next is Nimalan. Nimalan.
many balloons. One balloon, many balloons.
One balloon, many balloons. Very good, Nimalan. Okay, next is Sara. Yeah, very good, ma. Sara. Yes, Sara. One spoon. One spoon.
One spoon,
Ah,
many spoons.
many spoons. Very good. Many spoons. Super. Okay, next is Nitish. Nitish. Huh? Ah, many pens. Okay, one pen. Many pens. Okay, very good. Riya Sri. One pencil, many pencils. Ilango, very good. Ilango.
Comb. One comb,
Hmm.
comb.
Combs.
Combs.
Combs. Okay. One comb, many combs. Very good. Next is Adarsh. Adarsh.
சொல்லுமா
One coin, two coins.
One coin, many coins. Coins. Okay, very good. Pranavi and Pravina. Pranavi and Pravina.
எனக்கு தெரியாது
One spoon, many spoons. Ah. Next.
எல்லாத்தையும் எடுத்துக்குவாங்களா
Hmm.
தாத்தா வந்து அடிக்க போறாங்க
Ah, very good. Ah. Yes, ma? Yes, Pravina. Madhvanti, why do you unmute yourself, Madhvanti? Very often I'm keeping on muting yourself. What is your problem, Madhvanti? See, again she has unmuted herself. Who is near Madhvanti? Can you please mute her? I can't hear others telling. Yes, ma Pravina, I didn't hear what you said, ma Pravina.
One pen, many pen.
One pen, many pens. Very good. Well done. Super. Okay, now what we are going to do is D94 ERP worksheet. You have done, you have already done, you have already copied the same word in the blank given there. Now we are going to add only an S to it to make it a plural form. Okay, come on, take that worksheet.
Ma'am, Shavanya, what to say?
Shavanya, you didn't say ma. Okay, come on, tell me Shavanya.
One ball,
Hmm.
many balls.
Very good. One ball, many balls. Now take your worksheet.
Ma'am,
D94.
I'm a worksheet.
Yes, come on, Kevin.
Ma'am, which
Hmm.
page?
D94 ERP. Hmm. Hmm. One. I'm watching you. Tell me, ma. One spoon.
One spoon.
Hmm. Many
Many
spoons.
spoon.
Spoons.
Spoon.
Very good, very good. Thank you, ma. Now take your worksheet. D94 ERP. We have already copied the same word here. Car, pig, hen, and copy panito. Now we are going to add only the S to it to make it a plural form. Come on, copy it down. Car, cars. Pig, pigs. Hen, hens. Map, maps. Cup, cups. Toy, toys. Mug, mugs. Car, cars. Pin, pins. Dog, dogs. Just add yes to it, children. Copy the same word as it is and add yes to it, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you have to add yes to the word, ma. If you have already copied down the same word, just add yes to it. If you have not copied down, now you copy it. Mug, mugs.
Finish, ma'am.
Yes, when you have added yes to it, very good, children.
Finish, ma'am.
Very good, ma.
Finish, ma'am.
Finish, Ritesh, very good. Just add yes to it. Everyone finish?
Finish.
Finish, very good. Finished? Okay, now take your slate, all of you. Take your slate and write numbers from 61 to 70 in your slate. After finishing it, you have to take worksheet number D95MD. This is the worksheet. Here we are going to find out the before number and the after number in this worksheet. Okay, for that first you have to write numbers from 61 to 70. 61, 61, 62, 62, 63, 63, 64, 64, 65, 65, 66, 66, 67, 67, 68, 68, 69, 69, 70, 70. 61 to 70 finished writing that? If you have doubt, you can look at the slate and write, children. Those are finished writing in your slate. You can continue with your worksheet. First sum 62 number is given. You have to find out what is the before number. So how will you find out the before number? First circle number 62, then go one step up. What number you see there? That will be the before number. Nitish, you should not write number in that way, Nitish. Numbers should always be written in this way, not like alphabets. If you write like that, then மேல up போனோம் அப்படின்னா தப்பா போயிடுவாங்க. If you write like this.
Okay, ma'am.
Erase it, write it again and give it to him.
Okay, ma'am.
Finish.
Finish the worksheet or finish writing 61 to 70.
Ma'am, worksheet number, ma'am.
Worksheet number is D95 empty. Very good, Riyasri. Take your worksheet, start doing it. First, circle the number. Before number means you have to go up. After number means you have to come down. After number you need not do because you very well know what comes next. But before number you have to circle it and then you identify the before number. Finish doing your worksheet. Anyone has finished your worksheet? Finish, Riyasri. Very good, Riyasri. Finish fast, Sara. We have another activity to do. Come on, finish fast.
I'm finished, Mom.
Very good, Imalan.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Mom.
Yes, very good. Thank you. Welcome. Yes, good, ma, Nitish. Very good, Nitish. Shravanya, finish?
Yes.
Okay. Madhuvanti.
Finish, Mom.
Very good, ma, Pravina.
Finish, Mom.
Very good, Pranavi.
Finish, Mom.
Yes, good, ma. Very good. I can hear you. Very good. Who's that? Yes, Pranavi, Pravina, I heard you, children. Very good, both of you. Those who are finished, keep your books aside. Don't close your book, but keep it aside, okay? After we do this activity, one more worksheet we'll do. Okay. Next, we are going to learn about same and different concept. Same na ஒரே மாதிரி இருக்கிறது. Okay? Different na வேற வேற மாதிரி இருக்கிறது. Okay? Now I am going to show you some beads. You are going to tell me whether it is same or different. Same na ஒரே மாதிரி இருக்கும். Here you see. Can you see? Two blocks here, blue color blocks. They are same or different? Same or different? They look the same. ஒரே மாதிரி இருக்கு. So they are same. And next, yellow color semicircle. Same or different? Same. Yeah. Same or ஒரே மாதிரி இருக்கு. And then orange color triangle. Same or different? Same. Okay. And then green color triangle. Same or different? Same. So all these are same. Now I am going to show you another thing. Tell me if same or different. ஒரே மாதிரி இருக்கா வேற மாதிரி இருக்கா? Different. இது ஒரு மாதிரி shape, இது வேற shape. Okay, this is triangle shape, this is semicircle and the color is also different. This is green color and this is yellow color. எதுவுமே match ஆகல. Okay, so this is different. இது same கிடையாது. This is different. Okay, now another thing I am going to show you. Same or different?
Different.
Different. Who said different? Same. ஒரே மாதிரி இருக்கு. This is also a red color cube and this is also a red color cube. Okay. No difference here. Color also same. Shape also same. Okay. Now one by one I am going to call you and ask you whether it is same or different. Okay. Yes, mute yourself, Madhuvanti. Next, first is Ilango. Ilango. Same or different?
Different.
அச்சச்சோ பாருங்கம்மா பார்த்து சொல்லுங்க சேம் ஆர் டிஃபரண்ட்
குட் பாய் இல்ல ஒழுங்கா விளையாடு சொல்லுங்க
ஒரே மாதிரி இருக்கா வேற வேற மாதிரி இருக்காமா
இன்னும் டிஃபரெண்டா இருக்கு
சேம்
சேம்
சேம் இது ஓகே டிஃபரண்ட்னா வேற மாதிரி இருக்கு இது ஒரு மாதிரி இதுவும் ஒரு மாதிரி இருக்கும் வேற மாதிரி இருக்கும் தட் இஸ் டிஃபரண்ட் ஓகே நவ டெல் மீ சேம் ஆர் டிஃபரண்ட்
ஒழுங்கா பார்த்து சொல்லு ரொம்ப விளையாட கூடாது சொல்லு
சேம் ஆர் டிஃபரண்ட்
சேம் ஆர் டிஃபரெண்ட்
Different.
Different. வேற மாதிரி இருக்கு. Very good, Ilango. Thank you. Next is Sarah. Sarah. Same or different, Sarah?
Same.
Same. Now?
Different.
Different. Very good. Nimalan. Nimalan. Same or different?
Same.
Same. Now? Now?
Different.
Different. வேற மாதிரி இருக்கு. Okay. And the next is Nakshatra. Nakshatra. Same or different?
Same.
Same. Now? Same இருக்கா டிஃபரெண்டா இருக்கா? டிஃபரெண்டா இருக்கு. Very good. That's it I'm asking you. Okay. Very good ma. Next is Shravanya. Shravanya. ஒரே மாதிரி இருக்கா வேற மாதிரி இருக்கா? ஒரே மாதிரி இருக்குன்னா சேம். வேற மாதிரி இருந்தா டிஃபரெண்ட். This is same. Okay. Very good. Same. And now?
Different.
Different. Very good. Next, whom I left out? Kevin. Kevin. Same or different, Kevin?
green ரெண்டு green இருக்கா
Green.
ஒரே மாதிரி இருக்கா? Then it is same.
சொல்லு
Green.
same
ஒரே மாதிரி இருக்கா வேற மாதிரி இருக்காமா? How is it? Same. Okay, both looks alike. Okay, it is same. Now tell me, both are same? ஒரே மாதிரி இருக்கா ரெண்டுமே? Yes or no?
Different.
Different. Very good. Next is Madhuvanti. Madhuvanti. Same or different, Madhuvanti? Same இருக்கா டிஃபரெண்டா இருக்கா?
Ma'am, உங்க face தெரியல.
இப்ப சொல்லு.
Same.
Same.
சொல்லு இப்போ. அடுத்தது கேக்குறாங்க பாரு.
Different.
Different. Very good. Next, Riyasri. Riyasri. Same or different, Riyasri?
Same.
Same. Now?
Different.
Different. Very good. Nitish. Nitish. Same or different? Same. Okay. Now, same or different? Different. Very good. Adarsh. 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 Same or different, Adarsh? Same இருக்கா டிஃபரெண்டா இருக்கா?
சேமா இருக்கா டிஃபரெண்டா இருக்குமா? மேம் பாரு இது பாரு சேமா
Adarsh. Same or different, Adarsh?
2 இந்த மேம் ரெண்டு பிளாக்ஸ் வச்சிருக்காங்க சேமா டிஃபரெண்டா? இது எங்க டிஃபரெண்டா இருக்கு?
Same. Okay. Now tell me same or different?
சேமா டிஃபரெண்ட் பிளாக்ஸா? சேமா டிஃபரெண்டா? சொல்லு நீ ஃபர்ஸ்ட்.
Same or different, ma Adarsh?
இப்படி பண்றீங்கப்பா. சேம் பிளாக்ஸா டிஃபரெண்ட் பிளாக்ஸா? இந்த பாரு மேம் கையில சத்தமா சொல்லு.
Different blocks. Okay, different blocks. Pranavi and Pravina. Pranavi and Pravina. Same or different? Same. Very good. Now tell me same or different? Different. Very good, children. Now take your worksheet number D100 LT. D100 LT. Yes, ma? Yes? Did anyone call me? Yes. Yes, Praveena. What, ma? Together only I asked. Okay, tell me. Same or different? Same. Now?
Different.
Different. That's all. Okay. Thank you. Now take your worksheet D100 LT. This will be your worksheet. You yourself see, children. In each row, which is different animal in each row. First row you have cow, calf. You have a puppy here. So which is different? Circle the different one, odd one. Okay. Next you have giraffe, calf, fox. Which is different, you circle. And then you have an elephant, zebra, elephant calf, elephant calf. Which is different, circle it. Fourth one you have a cat, kitten, cow, cat, kitten. Circle the odd one. Odd one means the different one. And the line la edu different ah irukko adu circle பண்ணனும். Yes, ma. Finished? Yeah, very good, Nitish. Yes, well done. Finish. What is the different one in the first row, Nimlan? What is the odd one in the first row? Dog. Okay, very good. Nitish, what is the different one in the second row?
Second row different ಏನದು?
In the second row, what is different?
Different.
Cow.
Second.
In the row, fox. Okay, very good. And then Adarsh, third row, which is different? The third row, which is different?
ಅದು name ಏನು? Zebra.
Zebra. Very good. Shravanya, fourth row, which is different? Shravanya, fourth row, which is different, ma? Cat, kitten, cow, cat, kitten. Which is different? Shravanya.
Sorry, ma'am. It was on mute. சொல்லுங்க.
Cow. Very good. Finish. All of you finished your worksheet?
Yes.
Finished? Yes or no, children? Any doubts in that? Finished, everyone? Very good, children. I'll send you.
Yes. Finish, ma'am.
Yes, very good, Pranavi and Praveena. Now I want all of you to take worksheet number D100 CT. This worksheet, okay? This worksheet help this girl to throw the garbage in the dustbin, garbage bin. Find the way for that girl. See, like this, it should go. Find the way for that girl, and that's it. That's all for the worksheet today. Finished?
Oh yeah. She wants to throw the waste.
Help the girl throw the waste in the dustbin. How she should go? Show her the way. There should not be any block in the way. Then means your way is correct. Finish? Finish, children? Yeah, very good, children. Yes, well done. Very good. All of you have finished, huh?